Dear friends, welcome to my channel Raja Hindustani for Magzu's winning numbers prediction. Draw dated on 17th July 2021. And also I thank you for my viewers and the subscribers. Please subscribe my channel and also press bell for the furthermore notification. Last week result 10th July. The result has come the 17, 19, 37, 38, 39, 49. Among these six numbers, four numbers came from shortlisted numbers. Here you can see 17, 19, 37, 38. And also here I said 34, 37, 38. 37, 38 has come. 39, anyhow I missed. Now we'll come to the prediction method. The prediction method consists of four types of method. Number one, the shortlisted numbers. Example 11, 12, 15, 18. Second, the two numbers in serial set. You can see example 16, 17. Then two alternative numbers set. Example 47, 49. That means here 48 missing. Alternative numbers. And fourth one, three alternative number set. Example 1, 3, 5. Here 2 is missing, here 4 is missing. Let me explain why I selected this method. If we go through the past results, see here last result 37, 38, 39. The same, all these three numbers are in serial. It came on 29th May, 13, 14, 15. Correct? And also, before the 3rd July 2021, if you go, 33 alternative number, 34 missing, and 35, 36. You can see here 5th June, 18, 19 missing, 2021, 18, 20, 21. Okay. So now, very long time, the pair numbers are missing, like alternative numbers, 47, 49, okay, 26, 27, like this. So this time, I'm expecting the pair numbers, these sets, two number serial sets, or two numbers alternative sets, or three serial numbers, or three alternative numbers set will come. So I'll explain you the way how to predict, how to find out the right number for winning. First, let us go for the shortlisted numbers. Number one, I have selected here numbers. You can see the highlight 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 17, 19, 20, 21, 23, 25, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 38, 39, 40, 42, 44, 45, 47, 49. So total 29 predicted numbers. If you want, you can take any numbers from this. Otherwise, you can leave it. You can choose all as you like. And you can make your own set. Okay. So the shortlisted numbers are like this, I predicted. Now second we'll go for the two numbers serial set. I give an example 16, 17. See, here you can see 1 and 2, 9, 10, 16, 17, 23, 24, 30, 31, 24, 25, 31, 32, 30, 31, 37, 38, 40, 41, 42, 43, 47, 48, 41, 42, 48, 49, 20, 21, 27, 28, 26, 27. Here I highlighted. See, you can see 9, 10, 16, 17. These numbers are familiar. So expecting for this 17th July 2021 draw. Especially this 3031. Last time all the numbers are come, but this 3031 in from 30 to 39 is not come. And also 31, 32 not come. So please note this. Okay. And also if you see above 40, 40, 41 is there. Still we can expect 42, 43 or 41, 42 or 48, 49. And this side 20 to 29, 30 if you go, 2021, very long time. You can see 2021, 5th June came. Okay. Now again we can expect 2021. So this is the two numbers in serial. So you can select one set from here. So in the 6 numbers, you can keep 2 numbers of serial. Okay. Then you go next one, 2 alternative number set, 47, 49. 48 is missing. You can find out. Here I made it 1, 3, 3, 5, 6, 8, 8, 10, 11, 3, 13, 15, 16, 18, 14, 16, 26, 28, 23, 25, 30, 32, 38, 40, 40, 42, 41, 43, 42, 44, 45, 47, 47, 49. So these are the familiar number I am expecting. So I highlighted. You can see. Okay. In this, I am expecting 30, 32, 38, 40, 47, 49 or 40, 42. Okay. And the third one, 3 alternative number set. Example 1, 3, 5. 1 after that 2 is missing. 3 after that 4 is missing. 5 have come. So I made it here. You can see 1, 3, 5, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 13, 15, 17, 14, 16, 18, 4, 6, 8, 21, 23, 26, 24, 26, 28, 23, 25, 27, 28, 30, 32, 30, 32, 34, 40, 42, 44, 45, 47, 49. Okay. In this time I am predicting 1, 3, 5 or 13, 15, 17 and also 24, 26, 28. This last 40, 42, 44. But this set 47, 49 we can expect. It may come. Okay. And now I want to bring your attention. The last time result, there is no repeating numbers. You can see 3rd July, 2, 13, 35, 36, 40, 47. So here, no number have come here. You can see there's no repeated numbers. But the numbers came 19 and 49. These two numbers came from 26th June. You can see 1949. So from here, two numbers came to 10th July. So now this time, 17th July, we can expect like this two numbers. So I predicted the repeating numbers 1738. Okay, 1738. So 1738 I am expecting. And also why I am expecting two numbers here 1949. Two numbers came. So this time we can expect 17 and 38. This is one way. Other way around, I would like to say from 26th June, two number have come 1949. Okay. Same I am expecting. Why should not come this 12th June? We'll go 1 week before that, 19th June. This 26th June, 19th and 12th June. I am expecting this 38, 40. You see? If you go for this 38, 40, okay, 38 will be repeating number and 40 will get. Otherwise, we can expect 36 also, 40 also. From the previous 3rd July, we can predict 36, 40. So here 40 is there, 36 there, 38 is repeating number. So we can expect 36, 38, 40. This time these three numbers among all these six numbers. Okay, friends. Dear friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Whenever you are viewing, okay, please subscribe and press the bell to get the notification. Now I'll come to the final, the combinations. So now finally what we have to do. So you can select one set from serial, one from alternative, and combine together you can make your combination, or one set from the alternative of two numbers and from three alternative numbers, then the balance one number. Here two numbers, here three numbers, five numbers. Left one number you can take from the short list and you can make your six numbers. Here I given the combination method. Here you can see 9, 10, 16, 17. Okay, then 20, 21, 27, 28. So two pairs I made it together. Okay, 9, 10, 16, 17. 23, 24, 30, 31. 40, 41, 47, 48. Okay, this 9, 10, 16, 7, the result have come before. You can check, I can show, please, 1 minute. You can check here 9, 10, 16, 17, 34, 36. Okay. So 27th March have come. Now we'll go for this one. So here you have to fill the two numbers. You can make your own. But the says why I made like this. From here you can see 10 to 16. Five numbers are difference. So I made the combination 20, 21. Then I left five numbers. Then 27, 28. For an example, you can see 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Five numbers left. Then 27, 28. The same way out. Okay, so all the numbers 23, 24, 30, 31, 40, 41, 47, 48, 36, 38, 40, 47. See, here I made it 36, 38, and just before I told you I'm expecting the 36, 38, 40. Okay, this is a prediction. So in the six numbers, among the six numbers, these three numbers I'm expecting this time. Okay, now we'll go for this next two sets of alternative numbers. You see 16, 17, 38, 40. So I made it together, one set. Then among the six, four numbers we are getting. So two numbers you can select and put. So I put it 44, 48. Same way 20, 22, 40, 42. So two numbers left. So I made it 12 and 39. And 14, 16, 26, 28. I made it 4. I made 36. 3 and 5, 13, 15. 17 and 42 I had. So 6 numbers. So like the same way, if you want, you can take all my predicted numbers. You can play, or else you can take my combinations also. You can choose your own numbers, make a set and play. Wish you all good luck. I hope you will win this time. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Once again, I am thanking you all for viewing my channel and subscribe. Okay, this time I hope more subscribers. I need your kind support. Keep continuous support. Wish you all success. And also I am telling you the repeating numbers again 37, 38. Winning numbers. I given here. Please just go through it. Four sets I given. In that also some alternative chances are given. Let me explain. 4, 8, 38, 40, 44, 48. 4, 8, 38, 40, 44, 48. 5, 8, 25, 27, 28, 47. 5, 8, 25, 27, 28, 47. 3, 5, 13, 15, 18, 36. 3, 5, 13, 15, 18, 36. Loss 12, 14, 22, 28, 38, 42. Okay. Here 4, 8, 38, 40, 44. Instead of 44, you can make 36. Then you will get all that the predicted number. You see 36, 38, 40. What I said, these three numbers. Okay. And also here 3, 5, 13, 15. Only just you can make 17. If 17 comes, you have to make the combination 42. 18 comes, make the combination 36. Okay. I hope you understood my prediction method and go for winning. Let me hear the good news from you all, and please comment, send your comments. Okay. And also encourage me, keep continuing support. Thanking you so much. Wish you all success.